Hi guys, welcome to another Unreal tutorial. So in this video we are going to create an entire level or a level blockout, which is the first step of level designing process using Unreal Engine geometry tools and geometry editing mode. So we call these BSP tools as well. So in a previous video we made a level and scale reference uh, from the scratch. Now we are going to use the same level to populate our scene. So these are the primitive tools that are provided in Unreal Geometry. It's under the mode tab, Geometry. So we can drag and drop any shape into our scene and like this. And if we change its dimensions by scaling, you can see the tiling of the textures are changed. So we don't want that to happen. So to preserve the tiling and everything, we can use scaling from here. So now the tiling is perfect. I'm going to delete this object, and since my floor is not enough, I'm going to scale that up. I'm going to scale to 5,000 maybe. 5,000. So I'm going to show you some features that Unreal BSP tools provide. So let's drag and drop this box and scale it. Alright. So now we have this object. Let me create another cylinder and reduce the size and increase the sides using this panel, and I'm going to rotate this. So Unreal BSP tools have provided Boolean operations or CST modeling operations. So when we select Subtract, we can create a hole inside this object, that is subtract. Okay, that is one feature. Let me scale this up a bit. And okay, now we have a nice hole here. There's another feature that Unreal have provided. Let's drag a new cube. I'm going to create a building out of this. So the way to scale using this. And see here. So now we have this building like structure. So if we go inside that, as you can see, they are invisible or they are one-sided planes. So if I want to create walls using this cube, what I can do is just select the object and tick hollow, and it will give a wall thickness. Now if you move inside, you can see that there are walls inside right now. So if you want to increase the wall thickness, you can do it like this. Now the wall thickness is different. If I were to add a draw to this object, I just have to drag an object and scale this a bit and subtract this. Now we have a door or door hole. Okay, so that's another feature. Apart from CST modeling or Boolean modeling, Unreal had provided another way called geometry editing mode, which is this mode, where we can directly edit vertices, edges, and faces. So let's create another object. Alright, if we want to deform edges, we have to do is we can just select these edges and deform the object, or we can move the faces, or we can even select the edges and deform the object like this. And those are some basic vertex or polygon operations, vertex, edges, and faces. And if you have used any other 3D modeling software, you may be familiar with this extrude feature. So you can extrude these faces like this. You can even just type how much length you want and add the segments, number of segments that we need, and likewise we can model the objects the way we want. So that is the geometry editing mode, and there are another cool features in geometry modeling mode. Yeah, let's add another geometry. Let's say I want to delete this edge, and now I want to merge these edges or vertices and create a plane. Yes. like that. You can create like that. These may be useful sometimes. Next thing that we want to do is to add some materials to this object. So let's search for some materials. Yes, if I were to drag and drop some materials, Unreal have provided another feature to uh, get rid of this, not get rid of. Unreal have provided another feature for you to add materials easily for any objects, any BSP objects. Let's select a material here, and when you select a material, and after selecting the material, you drag and drop a object, it will automatically assign the material to it for all faces. So let's likewise you can select any material and drag and drop any object. Alright, those are some basic features that Unreal have provided. So when you are using materials inside BSP, you have these cool features where you can increase or decrease the size of, or you can even move materials here and there, and even scale the materials so you can get the use of this to apply your materials with the right scale. If you drag and drop materials, now you will again have to add this material one by one. That covers the basic features of BSP tools. Let's meet in another video. Thank you.